Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. So kicking off day 2 of 11 days of saws, the next one I'm talking about is a pruning saw. Now, pruning saws, they're coming in several different ways, but they're for pruning trees. And especially fruit trees and other type trees, if you need to, where they get out unruly, where you can prune them so they don't cause problems. Now, there are several types of pruning saws that you generally see around in the stores. There are folding ones, as they usually have a wooden handle. Of course, now they're making them with the polymer, plastic handles, and the blade folds down into it. So when it's put away, it's nice and safe. They come in different sizes. There are pole saws that are pruning saws. Basically, it's that ripping saw that's on a but it's on a pole, and that way you can reach up and you can cut a branch up high without having to get a ladder and climb up there. Then there's one that's like a ripping saw, but it's on a pruner as well, a pole pruner, where you can go up and you just have the cord and you just pull it, and it cuts smaller branches, and you use the saw part for bigger branches. So that's something to think about and look at to see what type of those you want to get. Whether you want to get a combination one of those where it's the pruner and the saw, or you want to get the pole saw, or you want to get the folding one you can carry around, or do you want to get all three? That's up to you. I'm not going to tell you which one is going to be best for you because I don't know your situation. But I have all three. Actually, I got several of all three. So think about it. Look around what you may be needing to use it on, and get prepared and get one. Side note, for scout camp, when I took over the troop, they had like the little mini combination saws, and the boys were having a tough time. And I realized, wait, that's the wrong type of saw to have in a scout box. So we got rid of them. We got the small folding pruning saws, work great for the boys to cut off wood for making fires and stuff at scout camp. All right. So everybody, if you have a chance, please right now hit that thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a cent to do it, and it helps me out with YouTube. Also, put a comment down below. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and click the subscription button down below, and then ring the notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything. All it does is you get a notification saying that I've posted a new video. All right. Now, for those of you that missed it, we just had our 1,400 subscriber giveaway, and now we're working our way towards the 1,500. And when we get to 1,500 subscribers, we will have another big giveaway. All right. We also have several levels of channel members as well. There is the 99 cent a month level, which is the prepper level, and that's cheaper than a cup of coffee. Then there is the Grayman level, which is $1.99, which includes everything from the prepper level, and you get a bunch more. And then there is the survival level, which has a whole bunch of stuff with it, but it's $9.99 a month. But you get a lot of stuff, including 12 hours a year, one-on-one live stream communications with me to ask any questions you want, go over any problems you're having, problems figuring something out, or anything you don't want to talk about in the comment section down below. All right? So I'm going to throw some links here. I'm going to put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my other channel up there. I'm going to put a playlist for Prepping for Beginners over here, and then the Prepping for Private playlist down here. And you need to share those with people that are thinking about getting prepared, because, well, this is why.